I wouldn't say bad thing or disadvantage. I would rather call it challenges. Usually, problem arises when the business start making money. Advantage of having a business partner is you have more people to help you up. You don't need to do everything by yourself. I mean, sometimes in terms of knowledge-wise, it's impossible that you can handle everything in the entire business operation. So if you have business partner to help you up, you can always look for a partner who are good in the area that you are weak on.
Thor's right, you gotta deal with these guys.
How do we do this?
As a team.
Example, if I'm not good in finance accounting, I should be looking for a partner who are good in finance accounting. If I'm not good in operation, say look for somebody who can partner you up to take care of the operation side so that you can focus and do well in the area you are handling. That's the advantage of having a business partner.
Avengers! Assemble.
Disadvantage, I wouldn't really say disadvantage. It's always added advantage when you have additional brain or hands to help you out. The only challenges, I wouldn't say bad thing or disadvantage. I would rather call it challenges. The challenges of having a business partner is you need to understand, because different persons will have different personality, different persons will have different attitude, behavior, how the way they look at things and how the way they receive things. Usually, problem arises when the business start making money. Some partners tend to be a bit calculative. Oh, Derric, you are a major shareholder, you hold more percentage as compared to us, so you deserve to work more than any of us.
No, that's not true.
That's not the right way to think, because everyone will have different contributions, so therefore the shareholding percentage varies. So different business partners will have different percentage, and it's also subject to how much contribution and money they're willing to pump into the company. Most people know that different shareholders will have different percentage, but somehow jealousy will start when the company start making profit. And as the founder or co-founder of the business, you just have to continue to figure out how to communicate with them, how to make them understand better about each and every so-called shareholders' responsibilities and the percentage they are holding.